when Oprah introduced the Philips Stein, then it went woo, it went boom. Okay, I bought uh a leather, what do you call that one? uh I bought I bought a thing that Hello, good day everyone. So we're going to review another watch today. So as you can see there, the watch is Philips Stein. Let's try to know first what Philips Stein is. So Philips Stein is founded in 2002, or was founded in 2002. The Philips Stein company was brought an innovative outlook to the world of luxury watches by integrating frequency technology in the company's extensive collection of watches. Philips Stein has successfully combined the principles of overall well-being with a distinctive watch design. So when the watch first became available in 2002, it marked the first time in history that frequency-based technology had been incorporated in a luxury watch brand. Philips Stein Luxury Watches was founded in 2002 by husband and wife Will and Rena Stein. So after discovering that natural frequencies had positive health properties, they decided to be the first to introduce a luxury watch that featured frequency-based technologies. Based from what I know, this watch became well known when the founder guested in Oprah, when Oprah became their image model of the watch. So let's try to see what watch is this. Okay, so this is the watch here. As you well all know that I'm crazy about blue dial, so obviously this is a blue dial Philips Stein watch. So this Philips Stein watch, actually the model is Prestige. It's one of their Prestige collection, and it has a blue and gray dial. As you can see there, this is what they call the natural frequency technology. These two here, that they say that it will improve your well-being. And then it also says on their website it improves your sleeping. So this is also the distinctive design of the Philips Stein, because this is their signature design, that it has, it has an oval look and then dual time. Okay, so that one there, this is a Chronograph Prestige watch. And then as you can see here, it has also a distinctive design that their logo is placed on the 8th. I think all of their watches, their logo is on the 8th. It's placed on the 8th, and then there, that is the second time. And then this is Chronograph. Actually, the downside of this one is you can barely see the chronograph there because it's too small. It has a calendar on the 6th, but it's also too small. I can barely also see the calendar. Okay, so that is the second dial there. And then actually this second hand there is the stopwatch. If you're going to press this button, then it will move. Okay, and then if you're going to press that one again, it will stop. And then if you're going to press this button here on the side, it will reset there. Okay, so this is the look of design. Aesthetically, it's very good looking watch. I really love the look of the watch. That is why I'm so attracted when I saw this one on their website. I immediately purchased this one, even though it's very expensive, because during that time only very few only very few that they sell blue dial. So when this one was posted on their website, immediately I purchased this. I purchased it because I really love the look of the watch. See, it's classy. It's luxury looking. It's a luxury looking watch. And then I also like the clasp here. So this is the clasp there. So it has the logo, the end of the Philips Stein name, and then it's quite unique. It's quite unique. It's not the common, the common clasp. Okay. Wait. There. And then another downside of this watch is because I have a relatively small wrist, and I punch additional holes there so that it will fit on my small wrist. Okay. So I have to be, very careful in punching the hole because, God, this is very expensive watch. Their band also is being sold expensive online. So that's why I had to be very careful punching additional hole so that it will not going to damage the look of the watch. I get so many compliments because of this watch. I'm a member of this group wherein they are watch collectors, but I don't see them collecting Philips Stein. I do not know why. When I posted this one there, well, some liked the picture, but not many of them. Wow, not many of them were impressed of the watch. But back in the Philippines, this is a very popular watch. Celebrities are wearing this, and then celebrities are endorsing this watch. This is how popular Philips Stein is in the Philippines, and it is really one of the expensive watches there. And then I just do not know why in that particular group in social media, all members are watch collectors. I never seen anybody there bought a Philips Stein. As a watch collector, this needs to be one of your collection because it has a distinctive design, it has a distinctive technology that is only what do you call it, unique to Philips Stein. I don't think so this is a water resistant, because this is a dress watch. So would you wear a dress watch when you go swimming or when you go to the beach? Of course not, right? So obviously, yeah, this is not a water resistant. But if you have any information about this watch, if this is a water resistant, you may comment down below. So this is how it's going to look like on my wrist. Wait. There. See? I really like this watch. One of the best watches that I have. Okay, so the band is made of leather. It's a pure genuine leather band, and then it's also color blue. That complements with the blue dial there. Okay, so that's it for our review for this watch, the Philips Stein Prestige men's watch. Okay, and then the size of that one, because they have, I think in their website they have the small and large sizes. The small sizes are the women's. Then this one, because it's a men's watch, it is the large size. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to leave there for a few seconds, and then thank you very much for watching this watch review. And then I hope if you have any information about this watch that I did not feature while I was reviewing the watch, you may comment down below. Have a good day, everyone.